बाजीगर मैं बाजीगर।
Hi guys, today we are going to review this. This is the previous generation of Creta. Now straight away let us open the hood. DOHC 16 valve written over here. This is a pretty empty engine bay. A lot of space in the engine bay. This car gets blacked out alloy wheels, 215/60 are 17 inches. Personally, I feel this car is way better than the new one, but it depends on choice to choice and person to person. Creta badging over here, Hyundai logo here, SX which is the top model, and automatic. This is the boot space of the car. This one gets 60/40 rear seat split. There's the boot lamp, storage space here, and a parcel tray. And here is the placement of the rear wheel and toolkit. The rear wheel size also happens to be 215/60 are 17 inches. These are alloy wheels of the same size. Here is the placement of the high mount stop lamp. Here is the shark fin antenna. These are functional roof rails. This is the rear door. Speaker placement over here. Power window placement here. This is quite simple. Nothing much in this door. Door pockets of appropriate size. The seat looks quite comfortable. 3 adjustable headrests and a center armrest with twin cup holders. Center AC vents. A 12-volt charging socket. There's a request sensor on the driver side of the door. There's no request sensor on the other side. Here we get all the power window controls, door controls, and here are the controls for the mirror. This is the headlight leveler. This is a lever for opening the bonnet, accelerator, brake, and kind of dead pedal there. That's not a proper dead pedal, but it's kind of dead pedal. Height adjustment for the driver's seat. Driver's seat also looks quite comfortable. Here's the handbrake placement, twin cup holders, automatic gear, 1 aux, 1 USB, and a 12-volt charging socket there. AC controls with a display for the AC. The hazard light switch, infotainment system, and a small display for time. This is the meter. On the left it is the tachometer. In the center it's a small display for the fuel level, the temperature, and a digital speedometer. Below that it is a trip meter, outside temperature, a odometer, and a gear level indicator. On the right it is a speedometer, and there are a lot of telltale lights. This is how the steering wheel of this car looks. On the left that is a mute button, volume up down, call answer, and call reject buttons. On the right it is for mode and for the controls to change the screen over there. These are the AC vents, the light controls, and here are the wiper controls. This car also gets a rear wiper and defogger unit. Here is the placement of the glove box. It gets a decent sized glove box. Airbag brand logo here. Twin AC vents here. Twin lights and a sunglass holder. There's no vanity mirror or light here. There's a toll ticket holder. On the co-driver side, there's a vanity mirror but no light. There's a storage space below the armrest. This is the rear camera of this car. It gets adaptive guidelines.